stands out like I wouldn't say a sore thumb, like a break thumb. Anyone that walks past it comes in. It draws people in. It's before we had this stand, we got a certain amount of people in. A lot of buyers walk past us. Now everyone stops by. So thank you.
Didn't do anything, literally. I just show up on Monday, I did setting up on Sunday even afternoon. Monday we came here and we started the show. We love to work with Quadrant 2 show. We're referring all our trader friends to you, so hopefully you can have a good business next year.
Really good as always, yeah. So it was just a smooth process from start to finish.
Great. Well, even though we've just been to IFE about 2 weeks ago and then come to the show here, it's just been very easy. All we have to do is worry about you guys doing your bit, and we just turn up, walk onto the stand, set the smaller parts we need to do. Everything's ready for us. It's very easy.
I've done numerous shows like this over the years, and it's always great to have a really impactful large stand like this with excellent branding, lighting. It's great visual impact. People walk past, it grabs their attention.
Incredibly simple and easy, actually. They were easy to talk to, easy to deal with, and as you can see, they've done a rather good job. Of course, we gave them a design brief, but they worked on that, expanded it, and I think put their own influence on it, which has worked really well.
What I find with Quadrant ourselves working together, firstly, we've been challenging its places, because obviously when we book a stand, we may book it late or show, the stand space has changed, and you've helped us evolve our stand positions, the shape of the stand. So as you know, we've changed them, but our graphics have changed. You're constantly in there for us. So yeah, we're in good partnership.